Gonna be doing the closet tonight. Got my brother Brent coming over. He's gonna help me. Alright, so we finally got all the wood needed for this project. Oh yeah. Gonna be doing the closet tonight. Got my brother Brent coming over. He's gonna help me because I need help because I'm not so good at this, but a little good. Yeah, he's really good. I'm just okay. I know how to cut, basically. That's all. He knows everything else. So, gonna get all this squared away, get our closet back together. Can't wait because I'm sick of living out of the other room.
Our current situation, waiting on the closet to be done. Everything is currently in the bedroom and there is a lot of stuff. I'm kind of wondering how I'm gonna get this all into the closet, organized out. So we'll see. Okay, so ignore the crazy sound in the back. That is the vacuum vacuuming up the living room because the girls spill goldfish everywhere. But John and his brother have been working endlessly on our closet and it is coming together so well. I'm so impressed with all that they've done so far. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. All of this is gonna be like shoe shelves, and then this is my side for shelving and John's, and then here we're gonna add like some pull racks right there for dresses, and then these will be for blouses, blazers, and skirts, and then John's gonna have an upper pull here and one also right here, and he is gonna use some of my storage if he runs out because I'm gonna have more on my side than his, but it's because I probably have like double the amount of clothes that he has. But anyway, all of this up here is going to be storage. I have these really cute storage bins that I've had for quite some time, and I'm gonna line those on the top for any extra storage that we might need. So it's coming along. I'm really excited and I can't wait to paint it and show everybody the final project. So stay tuned. I'm super impressed.
The safety procedure is to wear probably gloves and some eye protection, but I have eyelids. I'm gonna blink really fast. Ready? Safe and secure. Always.
Oh my heaven.
Safety first.
You are unbelievable.
This one's good. Okay, get it a little bit longer than that.
You did it wrong.
Can't do better than perfection. Get the glasses.
And this is what work looks like. Not me. I was talking about him.
Don't forget safety.
The master.
Ready?
What time is it?
It's painting time!
You ever wonder how an extension cord gets tangled like this? Nobody.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? Cause every day is a new day. And everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever.
Okay, so this is my favorite project yet that I've probably ever done, mainly because I was able to design the closet how I wanted it to look. And then of course, John and his brother Brent made that dream come true, and they did an amazing job. We finally just finished the last coat of paint, and I get to organize everything the exact way I want it done. So I can't wait to show you guys. What do you think about the closet, John? Yeah, we're pretty excited.
Done!
Allie's room has been a nightmare with clothes, and we've been like just wearing whatever's on top because clothes are like this, stacked high, and you can't sort through anything. So John's wearing the same thing. I mean, I wash it, but
If it's on top,
I just
that's
put it
what
back
I'm
on top
wearing.
because I just washed it, and then he gets the same thing out the next day. Quarantine life, what can you say?
Okay, after hours and hours and hours and hours of work, no working out, so I've gained a little bit of weight. But the closet's done, so, you know, if we all die from a heart attack, fine, but our closet will look good. Are you ready? Here it comes.
Are you ready for the master reveal? Because here it is.
Blue skies, feel the wind beneath you as you fly by, dancing on a cloud that lifts you high, high, high. Your troubles blow away. And oh yeah, everything you want's right here. And oh yeah, the music's never been so clear. It goes oh, oh, na 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 na. Oh, oh, na 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 na. And oh yeah,
Just put a bed right here, and we can sleep in the closet. This is like the nicest part of the whole house.